what we are requesting as Magadi community is that through the Mining Act, there was a development of the CDA according to the Mining Act 2016, and our request is this, that there must be a full implementation of the CDA and the CDA committee, because currently Magadi is operating without a CDA and they are operating without the CDA committee that was the one that was supposed to be guiding and intervening between the county, between the community and the company.
We also had an issue on failure to address land injustices, whereby we have a big chunk of land that is still under the colonial agreement of 1911, which we think Magadi is still living in the colonial era. And it's only Magadi where you go and you have to pass through a gate and you have to give your information, even when you are going to your own home. So we think that there is a lot of historical injustices that are still going on in Magadi that should be addressed.
We are demanding for the board representative from the community, because the reason as to why we are here is because we don't have anyone who is representing our interests as a community. So our demand also is we need a representative from the community to be on that board. Because what are these qualifications of being a board member to this company? Does it mean that the entire Magadi doesn't have a qualification, or one person who can represent the interests of those communities?